have been using One UI 7 on my S23 Ultra past 2 months, and I did make a video where I have shown you my updating process, and also I made a comparison video like between 6.1 and 7.0 about performance gain and battery backup. So One UI 7.0 is kind of pretty much similar to 6.1 in terms of experience and battery backup. After using 2 months, it's still same. I haven't faced any major issue here, but there are few bugs here and there. First of all, One UI 7 actually known for its customization and the UI changes, but the changes are not really that much drastical like iOS 26. But anyway, there are many things to talk about in terms of features and customization. So first of all, as you can see, there home screen. Now we can customize home screen as we like. There are many things we can do. And one more thing which included here is vertical scrolling. So you can do it on 6.1 too, but you have to install a separate application for that. But now by default, you can do that. And horizontally also you can select it. So both of them is available. In terms of customization, so as you can see here, we can move icon up to our liking, but we need to install a application called Home App application, which you can get from Good Luck application. So if I hold here, and as you can see, DIY Home, and we can change up to our liking, and we can make them smaller, bigger, or even we can put icon up to our liking. So as you can see here, I can put icon, and also we do get folders icon, as you can see here, folders, and we can open application directly from here. So that's good. And these are the things we are getting in terms of UI changes. And also we can stack the widgets, as you can see here. I have stacked 2 or 3 now right now. So as you can see here, we can stack and looks good actually. And if you are creative enough, you can make many things out of this customization. And the notification panel, which is main highlight of One UI 7, you can say, but I don't really like the notification panel here or the control panel. It does look good, but I don't really like these buttons. These buttons are permanent, you can't remove them, although we can like rearrange the panels. So if I try now, so I can rearrange the panel, as you can see, but I can't remove this panel directly from here, and I don't really like this much panel here. So this kind of bothering me. I hope in the future update they will fix this issue, or there will be a application to customize these things, so that will be great. But as for now, you can't change them. And as you can see, it's good actually, working great. the, Everything is here, and other things also here, you can rearrange them up to your liking. So all these things are available. Other things like the fluidity or animations are really good on One UI 7. Every app open and close really fast and looks good actually. So as you can see here, everything working pretty well, smooth, no issue at all. So animations are really good on One UI 7. And we can see all the notification here in the control panel here, and you can actually change few things from here. There are applications to do that too. Now coming to the setting, so I have updated my device 2 months ago. Then we got 2 security patch update, and I did update my device too, and I haven't faced any issue regarding display green line or anything like that. So everything seems to be fine even after update. So as you can see here, One UI 7.0, and last update was the security patch update of June 1. So after update, I haven't faced any issue, and it's still working fine. Few things here I have to talk about. First of all, AI. Although One UI 7 introduced a lot of new AI features, but all of them don't really available on older devices. So first of all, call assist is available, writing assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript assist, browsing assist, photo assist, drawing assist. All these things actually available before. Now they are improved. And audio eraser feature is not available, although it is here, but the feature is not available. Maybe in the future they will include this feature, but as for now, the feature is not available. In the display setting, all the same things are available, as you can see here. Right now I'm running on same resolution FHD plus, and the smoothness is adaptive motion, as you can see here. So it is doing well. Nothing much here actually. Wallpaper and style, here also we are not getting that much changes, but there are few things where we can change AI wallpaper, and few things are available as you can see here. These things are not really that much useful, I say. And home screen. So as I said, as for customization goes, there are tons of customization option for home screen. So we can change the folder grid, app screen grid. So a lot of things are available. And for more features, you can go to more customization option and it will open the home app application. And if you don't really have this one, they will install it, then you can open it. If you install this application, you can go to home screen section. Now we can do a lot of things. And you have to enable the DOI home screen to do this kind of things. Otherwise, you can't do that. So home app. And there are a few other features. Home screen, as you can see here, icon setting, finder access, favorite, and also you can change grid size from here too. So these things are available. Gesture settings is available. So there are few things you can do from here. Task changer, so task manager you can change. I have changed mine actually, as you can see here. By default, it does not look like this, but you can check my customization buttons so that if you want to do like me, you can do that. So that is available. Other things like in the lock screen and audio option, we do get navbar. Navbar is working well here, but I don't really find it that much useful. Many people like it a lot, but I don't really find it useful. So these are the applications which can be used by navbar, but maybe in the future they will include few more applications. But as for now, these are the applications you can see here. So that's what you are getting in terms of navbar. And go back. And one really good feature of One UI 7 is bypass charging. I don't really know it was available on 6.1 or not, but as I have noticed right now, so if I go to game booster setting, so as you can see here, pause USB PD charging when gaming. So right now my device is 16% charge, but you need minimum 20% charge to enable the bypass charging option, and it does work. I did try that. Bypass charging is working. So if you are a gamer, this will be really great feature for you because your device will heat up less when you are playing game. And also we are getting a game manager too. Actually, Game Hub is available. So as you can see here, Game Hub, which will keep all the game related application there. So if I check Game Hub, as you can see, all my installed game are here, and I can install few more directly from here. As you can see here, it's kind of a game store type of thing. But as for now, I have only these 3 games here. And in terms of battery backup, as I said, battery backup is kind of same as 6.1. So let me show you. So if I go to battery section, so last time I have charged my device up to 80%. I charge my device once daily up to 80%. Then I use my device and mostly on Wi-Fi, but I do use mobile data too because I travel to my university. So I don't really get Wi-Fi when I'm traveling. So I use my mobile data. So as you can see here, I have used 63% of battery and the screen on time is around 4.5 hours, which is kind of good actually for a device like this. And the battery is also already degraded a lot because I've been using this device a long time right now. So these things are available, and charging setting is still same. Fast charging, you can enable it or if you don't want it. But one thing which is missing is battery health data. I don't really know why they don't really included that feature because S24, I think they got the battery health data feature, but this one didn't. Maybe in the future update they will include it. It will be great actually to see the battery health, and it will help making purchasing decision if you're buying a second-hand device. And other things are kind of pretty much similar to 6.1. There are many changes have been made in the code, but as far as feature goes, still it's kind of similar to 6.1. One thing which is changed is here mobile networks option. So as you can see here, the 2G option used to be here. Now they moved it here. Like I don't really get it. If you don't want to give us 2G network, directly remove it. But still 2G network is allowed here. But if you don't have like 5G, 4G or 3G, it will still connect to 2G. But they moved the option here. And maybe in the future they will directly remove it. As far as other feature goes, there is nothing new here. Everything pretty much similar. And One UI 7 is working great as far my usability goes. one drastical changes made in actually camera UI. So as you can see here, camera UI is now changed and it looks good, so works great, and it is very user friendly right now, and the picture quality and the video quality improved a little, and the lens switching also, as you can see here, they are much faster and works really well, but still pretty much similar to 6.1. Obviously the UI changed, but still kind of similar. So as far as One UI 7 user experience goes, it's a solid update. If you want to update your device, you can do that. If you don't really want, if you want to wait for One UI 8 update, you can wait. There isn't much actually to talk about One UI 7 update, although many people talk a lot about the UI changes and everything, but I don't really find them much useful here. Obviously there are a few changes like your battery icon is changed and few things change, but not really that much useful. And talking about the bugs, so right now if I connect my Bluetooth earphones, so let me connect. So it is connected, so I can't really see the Bluetooth battery status here on the notification panel or on the status bar. It was available on 6.1 as far as I remember, but right now it is not available, and we can't really see here too, but I have to click here just to check the battery percentage of my connected Bluetooth earbuds or earphone or speakers, as you can see here. So maybe in the future they will fix this. And one more thing is, like, when you're switching between these buttons, like switching to silent or normal mode or vibration mode, sometimes they get stuck and that does not really move. Although they change the mode, but they will be same, and you have to like pull down the notification panel again and do it again just to see the changes. So there are few issues here and there you will see, but minor bugs, not really major. But as far as usability goes, the update is pretty good and smoothness is noticeable. So everything works really well. It is a solid update for S23 Ultra series or S23 series. So I haven't faced any major issues, no slowness or lagginess, anything like that. Obviously there are few minor bugs, but compared to the experience you are getting, the bugs are kind of negligible. So that's all about One UI 7 update for S23 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.